Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places.
That includes the places and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture. This is YaadMentz.
Hi, hello. Yeah.
Third left.
Okay, third
Start
left.
going from the arch there, third left.
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright, so guys, we're here at Moon Palace. We're gonna try a vlog style for this vacation. Birthday vacation.
Yeah, birthday vacation.
Yeah. So this is Moon Palace. Boy, the gate big and huge though, I'm not lie. Alright, so this is the parking area. Just parked. It's a decent parking spot. Park your vehicle, heading back up to the lobby area to meet up with Dev. So we can do our check-in. Sanitizing wipe, just open, wipe your hand, and discard anything over there when you're through, okay? Alright. So just get the sanitizing wipes. Wipe off the hand. The bags are there, ready to be sanitized. You come for your sanitizing mat.
sure that you're the one who opened the door.
Okay.
Yep. So this is our room. Nice space. I want to make sure I get everything. So we got welcome wine. Nice mirror. There's a lot of mirror here. A lot of mirror. This is the mini bar. It's empty right now. So if I want drinks, I can request that. Drawers on top of drawers. Water. I think this is our humid. We got our mask. Mask in the room. This is the bathroom. It's really nice. There's a tub. Don't think we're gonna even use that. It's a shower. It's really nice. And you know what this is? Yep. This is the closet. You know, there's a lot of mirrors, trust me. Well, once you open the door, the light comes on, we get robes. Iron, safe. You can't really see it, but that's a iron board. I wonder what's in this thing here. Look like a something like a curling iron or a blow dryer if you need to get that done. Come on, has standard room things. Yeah, so this is the spot. Let's go out on the balcony to see what's up. We get the bag as well, a tote bag, courtesy of Moon Palace. It's empty, but a nice little bag you can have, bring on the beach, etc, etc. Dev is gonna open the door for us. Step out on the balcony. Balcony is nice, roomy, spacious. Nice view of Ocho Rios Harbor. Oh, look at that big nice hammock down there. This is some special room. You want a hammock in the back of your house. Really nice. Yeah. Rise and shine, rise and shine. We're up. Day 2.
Morning, guys.
I see you ready. Gym clothes, Liverpool shirt. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, so it's day 2. We are ready. We're supposed to go on a tour of the property. It's just nice waking up to this scenery. Trust me, like it's really nice.
It's quiet.
Mm-hmm.
It's quiet and very peaceful, and being able to look out and see, you know, the water. It's nice. It's nice to wake up to. So the tour that we're going on is actually it's a tour, yes, and they're going to be showing us like all the perks and the amenities that they offer here, but I think that they're also going to be talking about their club that they have, their VIP club, and if you're interested in signing up, I guess this would be the opportunity for you to sign up if you want to. And let's say it's like an hour and a half, so it's a little while that kind of cut out of your day, but supposedly there are giveaways and prizes for you participating in it, whether or not you choose to join or be a part of the VIP club. So
right.
We're gonna see what that's about. Hopefully we can give you some shots of what that looks like.
We'll definitely try and get some shots, of course.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the gym after.
Yep.
Yeah.
She's ready. Gym clothes on. And bare things matchy matchy.
Whatever.
Matchy matchy. Bag of wifey things. I want a wifey bag.
You have to be a wife if you know.
Alright, so I think we are about to get ready and head out to the meetup. Just checking out the scenery. It's nice. Want to go to yourself? So they have a nice store here. Can I get?
You can use your resort credit.
Oh.
Kinda look dark. Oh well, brighten up. No. Your head too big for that. This is the ladies section? Or both?
Yeah.
No.
No.
No, hello. You don't see a Jamaican vibe things.
Who?
You don't see anything Jamaican vibes.
Can't take These are nice.
No. No skulls, friend.
Like a Mexican thing.
Yeah, I don't know what that is about though.
You know, Mexicans celebrate the dead.
Yeah, but no.
so we are headed to the gym right now. See, we have the fitness center. I have the spa right there. Should not be close. Alright, so this is the gym. We'll have to take a wipe to wipe down the machine that we're going to use. It's very spacious. They have a lot of equipment they can use, but they're moving, so we can't use, I guess, the things that they're moving. They're moving the gym area. So we're going to do some treadmill, and I guess anything after that. So we're here at the pool. We're gonna do a dip. A couple minutes into the pool. See what it feels like. This pool area. This is one set of housing. This is the unit that we are on. Very nice unit. Huh? Okay. So we finished with the pool. We're going to head for lunch now. See what they have for lunch today. Yay! You want to check out here first? Wedges look good. Barbecue fried chicken.
Barbecue fried chicken. Oh, that's enough. Jamaican stuff. That's enough.
Saltfish fritters, escovitch fish, curry goat, soup, seafood lasagna, fish and chips. Hello. Oh, they have carrot cake.
They have carrot cake?
Yeah. I can get a slice of carrot cake.
And can I get a slice of what's that one? Coconut?
Sorry, I can get two of these milk chocolate crunchy milk chocolates. is the pizza joint. You come get your pizza and your sandwiches. Hello. And the paninis. 2 slices of vegetable pizza. So you gonna heat them up? Yep, so it's another night here. It's date night, another date night. We're going to a restaurant, Pier 8. Yeah, so we're head out, have a mask. Yep, let's go. Can't really see the sign, but it's Pier 8. So Dev is looking at the menu. You have to scan a barcode, and then while scanning the barcode, you will get the menu for what is Pier 8. So she's looking to the menu to select what she wants right now. It's a nice atmosphere, right? It's close to the beach. Staff has been friendly so far. What else? So we're going to check out the menu, see what's available, and then showcase our food. The battery is dying, and we can get some good shots. So we got our Opera Martini and our what's this, plantain chips to start. We're going to cheers our yeah. Sweet, it's sweet though.
And strong.
So yeah, that's Debbie's food. What you ordered again?
This is the seafood fondue. This is the appetizer. Yeah, so it has scallops, shrimp, and I think lobster in there with cheese.
Okay. And I had the bami fries. It's really small. It's like, what? What is this? But yeah, I tried something different. Your friend, get it in, get it in. All in your face, bro.
Good.
Yeah, so this is what the roasted chicken with wedges and steamed vegetable and corn, sweet corn. This is what Devon and I are going to have the same thing. We'll have our drink. Devon had what is the Bob Marley, and I have some vodka and Sprite.
Okay.
So we're gonna dive into this food right now.
Yeah, this is mine. Looks good.
Yep, another morning. So we're going to the spa today. We have our free, our complimentary manicure and pedicure. This is nice. getting her nails done. Mani pedi.
So Sean is over here gonna get his first pedicure in life. We're getting complimented for pedicures. I got mine already. So I'm done. I'm just here drying. This is another part. This is what the pedicure section looks like. So Sean is over here getting his feet warmed and wet.
Yep. It's about that time. It's a jacuzzi. It's one jacuzzi. Jacuzzi number 2. Nice little area.